Hey guys, it's Jyoti. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here at Istana. So Istana is the official residence and office of the President of Singapore. If you guys are wondering what Istana is, then Istana is a Malay word that means palace or mansion. There are so many people are coming here to see the palace and the President of Singapore. So the entry to the Istana ground is free for Singaporeans and Singapore permanent residents. An entry fee of $2 per person applies to all other visitors. When you enter the ground, you will see a very beautiful swan pond. This ground is so huge. To see the main palace, you have to walk a long way. So let's go. I'll take you guys along with me.
Yes.